Follow the steps on how to add tattoos to the skin like this in Photoshop. Let's start by opening the image. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Go to Image, Adjustment and Desaturate. Also add a Gaussian blur with a radius of about 3 pixels. Go to File and Save As. You can delete this layer. Then open the tattoo image. Because this is only one color, you can delete the background using the color range. Click the black area and set the fuzziness to about 50. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate it. Now we have an image without a background. Click and drag this image to the previous document. Adjust the size and position. Press Enter. Then go to Filter, Distort and Displace. Set it like this. Select the file that was saved earlier. Make mask. Click this thumbnail. Set the black position on top. Activate the brush with 100% hardness. And delete this. Double-click to open the layer style. Set the underlying layer like this. Lower the opacity. And this is the result. Good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.